Hi everybody at Porsche Centre North Toronto. I want to thank John and Leslie for lending us this 911. I got to experience what a Porsche is really like.
Hi John and Leslie, it is Mike, Henry's dad. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for this amazing treat this weekend in this beautiful, beautiful 911. We had an absolute blast. Got to drop Henry off at one of his friends' birthday parties. That was a hit. All his friends were out looking at it. Neighbors have been out looking at it. I hope we were really good Porsche brand ambassadors for you this weekend. On a personal note, I was really excited about this because I got to teach my son something, that hard work pays off. Just some simple video that we did, his patience in doing all those takes over and over and over again. He really worked hard at it and it paid off at this beautiful treat this weekend. So I wanted to turn it into a great life lesson for him. So Henry, what happens when you do hard work? It pays off, buddy. That is absolutely right. So John and Leslie, thank you so much.
Why do you say Porsche?
That's actually how you pronounce it.
No. I thought it's called Porsche.
And look right at that lens, not at the screen, at the lens. Okay.
Hi everybody at Porsche North Centre.
No, try it again.
Hi everybody at North Centre.
One more time.
Hi everybody at Porsche North Centre.
You can't remember 4 words?
I can't.
Porsche Centre North Toronto. Say it again.
Porsche Centre North Toronto.
Okay, look at the camera.
Hi everybody at Porsche North Centre Toronto. I can't.
Come on.
Can you say it? My birthday's in January, just saying.
Get out of here.